Hey guys, so in this video I'm just going to show you how I updated my foyer from this to this. If you're interested in seeing how I did it, then stay tuned. Alright, so the first thing that the foyer definitely needed was some color. So I decided to go with Sherwin-Williams. The color is called Iron Ore. I decided to paint my front door with this just to, like I said, bring some color into the space. So the Iron Ore it's really a really dark gray. When it dries, it almost looks black, but it is not black. It's a dark gray, and there's a look at it there. And all I did first was just tape around my door. And of course, I did not want to paint the trim of the door, just the inside. And I went ahead and painted it. I ended up doing 2 coats. I did 2 full coats and then went back in a couple of spots and did some touch up. And that worked out really good. And here's a look at it once I got all of the coats on. I really love this color. It just brought some like dimension into the place. Just the flat all white throughout the whole foyer. It just looks so plain to me. So this just really makes the door pop and stand out. All right, so everybody say hello to my crazy husband. Hey, Tonio. Yeah. Anyway, so what we decided to do, we took some family portraits. I actually took these myself. We just went across the street into a little wooded area and took those pictures. So I put those in frames and hung them up. And then I just brought in some pieces. I started with an entry rug. This is, of course, a rug mat to make sure that the rug doesn't move around. And I found this rug at Ross, actually. I found this at Ross and it was like 19 bucks. So I was really happy when I found it. The style of it and the size of it was exactly what I needed. Then I already had this coat rack hanging up, and I just decided to put a little fake plant on top. And then this is an old pew that Antonio and I found at the Goodwill. I did go through and I touched it up with a little bit of white paint. I left it really rough, so there are some spots that still look really rough, but I liked it that way, so I left that. And then I just added a couple of pillows to make it look a little more cuter. And then I thought this was a cute touch. We come in a lot of the times and it's raining. So that is actually a trash can that I used. It's a little metal trash can. I thought it was perfect there. And then I added another plant right next to the side of the pew. And that is basically about it. Here's a shot from down the hall. And then from my office, this is from my office looking on. So just those few little things really changed the whole look of the foyer to me. The biggest thing for me was painting this door, just really adding some color into the space. So when you walk in, I love this. It's just inviting. It just gives it that country, that modern farmhouse feel that I love so much. So this is it. And I didn't really show it too well, but I do have a hanging light, and I got that from Lowe's for like 50 bucks. So that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.